I've always wanted to be able to garden on a tight budget and on a small scale. If you are like that, you are in the right place. You need grow bags. I'm Sarah and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'd like to invite you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss whenever I have new videos coming out. This video is a review of sorts to the grow bags that I purchased on Amazon. The link for these grow bags, they are 5 gallons, will be in the description box below. I'm going to be going over 4 key points to these grow bags and why they might be perfect for your container or small scale budget garden. Number 1, the affordability is insane with these grow bags. I bought 10 grow bags for $20. That's $2 a grow bag, and these are 5-gallon grow bags. That, like, you just can't find that anywhere. Aside from like just reusing other things you just have laying around, this is a really good option. The second point I want to talk about is just how easy they are to maneuver. When you have a container garden, sometimes you have to move things around because you realize, wow, okay, this plant is getting way too much sun and I need to move it to a different spot, or vice versa. Also, when you are living in a rental property, there's a sense that it's so temporal. So having these, there's something about these handles that make it so easy. Like, I can take these with me pretty easily. I live in a rental home, so everything I have needs to be able to be picked up and moved to the next place if need be. The third point I want to talk about is the quality durability. I'll be honest, when I first saw grow bags, I was like, that kind of looks like you're growing in a trash bag, right? There was kind of like a cool factor to it, but I just didn't know how I felt about it. What about you? Do you guys think trash bag or cool and like clever way to grow things? Put your answer in the comments below. I want to see what you think. So from what I said before, I realized that I think grow bags are much more durable than what I originally thought. And whenever I first got this out of the bag, I realized, wow, this material is quite thick. The stitching is really durable in my opinion. I do have some sewing experience. When I pick it up, it doesn't feel flimsy. So I look forward to being able to use these for hopefully several years. I have no idea if there's any maintenance with these to help them stay better. I mean, I would say keep them out of like the elements, but that's the whole point. They're in the elements so they can grow food for us. And now finally, the fourth point I want to talk about are some possible problems that just having them for I don't know, over a month now, that I've started realizing about them, and they're not so much well, I have solutions to the problems, so they're not too bad, but things that I think you should take note of. The first thing is that since this whole thing is breathable, that means that air is coming in and out. So I've noticed that the outer inch or so dries out a lot quicker than like the middle. So I noticed that whenever I did plant from seed, the ones on the outer edge, I like really had to keep the watering, like I had to be on it. Now it is like blistering hot right now, so things are drying out quicker in general, but I think this just added another level of difficulty. So the germination rate is already lower right now, but it made it even more lower than it was. So to combat this, on top of just really being intentional about keeping these things watered, I also put down a layer of mulch, which, I mean, that's kind of across the board. You need to be mulching no matter what, whether you're in a pot or in the ground, whatever. But I will say that that has really helped the drying out process of these. Another problem that came up was we had a hard rain, and my pots are sitting on mulch that I had gotten from our local composting facility for free, which was awesome, but I don't know what's in the mulch. And so after the rain, mold started growing up the sides of my pot, white and yellow mold. And though I don't think that would really harm the plant because it's on the outside, I just don't want mold growing on my pots. Like, that's gross. So I used Microbalance EC3 mold spray that I mentioned in my propagation box video, and I sprayed it down. It's non-toxic to the plants, besides it's on the outside, and by the end of the day that mold was gone. And the other thing I just make sure of, I can't control this if it rains, but when I water, I try not to water the ground around the base of the pot, and that helps keep the mold growth down. So both of those things are not like too big of issues, and they have solutions. So to me, they're not too much of a problem. So far, I have really enjoyed these grow bags. I like them more than what I thought I would, and I think you'll enjoy them too. These things are perfect for your patio, your apartment patio gardens, your back deck gardens, porch gardens. They're so easily movable, and they look better than what I thought they would. I think they are a great solution to a budget-friendly and space-friendly garden. That's all I have for you today. If you liked this video or just found it helpful, hit the like button, or if you didn't like it, hit the dislike button. Also, I want to invite you over to our community Facebook group. That's where we can really connect in real time, send pictures of what you've got growing, encourage others, send pictures of where you're having problems, because hey, we all have them, and we can help each other and encourage one another, even if we kill lots of things, to get back out there and try again. The link to the Facebook group is in the description box below, and I look forward to seeing you over there. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video, where we'll keep you updated on my own grow bag garden, and I will see you next time. Bye!